video. Today we're looking at SurFlex Screen Recorder. So I've got a Mac and I've downloaded this software. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can access it. There's also a browser-based version, but I think the app is the way to go. So first off, we've opened it up and we've got a number of choices in front of us. So we can choose where we're going to record the whole screen. So if I do that, you can see at the top now, we've got the marching ants, we've got red corners to signal my recording area. And it's telling me that the current screen size is 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is really useful. I can choose, if I want to not do the whole screen, I can choose to do a section of the screen. So if I click select region, it gives me a nice cross and it automatically selects content. So it's gone, well, you've got this window open, do you want to record that? Which is really useful, but I could simply click and drag to choose the region that I want, which is really useful. So I've now selected a region. Other things I can do is I can bring up the webcam. So I'm going to turn the webcam on and I can move that into my recording window if I want. And what I can do is I can also choose the size of the webcam image. So at the moment, there it is. There I am in the bottom corner. Let's make that slightly smaller. Let's go back to that size and we'll drag that into the corner of the bottom. There we are. So that's the webcam feature, and as I say, you can choose to turn that on or off. We come to sound. We've got the choice of microphone, system sound only, or system sound and microphone. So I'm going with just microphone, and then you've got a choice of microphone devices. So I'm going with my Yeti microphone. So that's what we've got on the front element. If we look at the side, we've got the option to choose record audio only or record webcam only. So I'm going to stick with the screen recording function, but you have got those options available to you, which is really useful. We go to auto stop. You've got it so you can turn that on and it will stop recording when you stop talking, but we'll leave that off for the moment. Video list will show you any of your previous recordings, and we'll look at that once we've done a recording. And then from this menu, we can go to settings, we can check device permissions. So if this is the first time you're using it, we'll ask permission. You'll need to go into your device, set permissions to enable it to access the screen whilst you're recording. There's technical support and online help there. So let's start then by pressing record. Now it may have a bit of an issue because I'm obviously recording something. So we'll see how we get on. So we'll press record. Really nice countdown that it gives you. And down the bottom here, we can see it's going to give us a progress bar. Now you can see we've got the dreaded wheel of doom because I'm trying to record two things. But hopefully that will work. Let's just give it a moment. There we go. So it just took a moment because, as I say, I'm trying to record itself as well. So what we've got is we can see the countdown, which is telling us how long we've been recording, the size of our recording currently, and the available space on the disk. We can do a screenshot if we want, which could be useful to go in with the edit. So we can click that and do a screenshot. We can set the auto stop. We can pause it, and we can also move that window if we want to maybe move it so it's better in our sight line as we're doing our recording. So we can make our recording there. I could go through my website, look at the different elements I want to, go to my YouTube channel. There's a whole lot of things I could do whilst I'm creating this video. And then when I've finished the video, I can click stop. Yep, so having recorded my video, I can click on video list and it will show me my video there. So I can click onto the folder and it will show me where it appears. So it's downloaded to the desktop as an MP4. I've also got my screenshot there, so I can then use those to edit. So there you have a really easy way to manage your screen recording and to create videos. As I say, you can record with or without your webcam. You can record just audio only or just webcam only. And then you've got your library of files that allow you to navigate those. Returning to home, really nice, easy interface. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.